Now we're going to look at one of the most important elements of WordPress, the theme. The theme defines the look and feel of your website. And essentially, there are two categories of themes, free themes and paid themes. I'm going to show you the free themes first. So when you install WordPress, WordPress will install at least one theme. And they release a default theme every year, and this one is called 2021. And it currently defines the look and feel of our website. So if we have a look, the website looks like this, and this is the default theme that's installed. If we want to change the theme, we have to have it installed, and there are two installed for purposes of an example here today. I'm going to just hover over that theme, click on activate, and it instantly activates the theme and changes the look and feel. So I click on visit site, you can now see that the look and feel of the site has actually changed. That's because I've changed the theme. If I want to customize any of the options on the theme, all I do is I click on the button that says customize. So if I go in here, I'll have a menu on the left-hand side, and I'll be able to see on the right-hand side what are the options that are changed as we change them. So the site identity always has a title and a subtitle. You can change these. You can set these for to be whatever you want them to be, and you'd normally put in some terms that might help your SEO. So I've just changed the subtitle training, and it does it instantly. I can go in and change some of the color scheme. So on this particular theme, the color options are quite basic. So I can say, right, let's make it purple or a gray or a brown. Let's go back to the green. And when I hit publish, it'll do it instantly. There aren't many other options on this theme because it's a free theme and it's a basic theme. But let me show you one that might have a bit more sophisticated options that are available. So WordPress comes with a library of themes. If you click on add new, it'll bring you to this screen where you can see a whole selection of themes that are being featured by WordPress. They want to just show you these ones. But if you click on popular, you can see a much broader range of themes that are being installed by WordPress users worldwide. You can also do a search up here on the right hand side. So if we were searching for sports, and we might be able to find a theme that's relevant to sports. And as you can see, there are themes here that are available. So a lot of these are very good themes. In my experience, the free themes are basic. The more advanced themes, you get an awful lot more features. But if you're just starting off, you can install any one of these free themes. So let's try maybe this one, Hestia. I'm going to install that just to show you what's involved. So you basically hover over the install option, and then you click on install. Depending on how big the theme is and how many options it might have and how many images and templates that come with it, it can install anywhere between 20 seconds and maybe a minute or maybe 2 minutes to fully install. A good indication is if it takes a lot of time to install the theme, it normally means it has a lot of options for you to play with. So, okay, our theme's installed. Let's activate it. So when we activate it, essentially, that theme becomes live. The other themes don't get deleted. As a rule of thumb, you probably should delete themes that you're not using because they may be a security risk if they're not getting updated. So to do that, you click on a theme that's not active. So this 2019 is not active, and there's a delete button down the bottom. So it's just a housekeeping task. You can go in and delete themes that are not active. So let's go back to this Hestia theme. It's now active on the site. And when I click on visit site, it has completely changed the look and feel of the site. Okay, it has installed its basic theme options, but I bet we can do some more configuration on this. So let's go back out to the options on the left-hand side, and let's go to themes, and let's go to customize. Let's pick the right theme. Let's customize this one. If we go to that theme, it'll give us some options to customize the theme. So as you can see, there's a lot more options on the left-hand side here now. I can go into appearance, I can go into settings, I can change where the menu bar appears on the right-hand side or the left-hand side. And for blog layouts, that's on the news, and as you can see, it's changing here. I can go into the typography, which is the font, and I can change the font. I can go through all the colors on the site and maybe match it in a bit more with my branding or my logo. and it'll change all the elements. So this is where you will have some design fun playing with all of the elements that are all the customizable elements that are on each section. This really what takes the time to make the website go from looking okay to looking really good. So that's essentially the design elements on how you modify and change your theme.